represent people on violation of probation cases called VOPs for many, many years. The violation of probation statute says in essence that you can violate the terms of your probation if you are convicted of a subsequent offense, if you have been arrested subsequent to your imposition of probation, or if you fail to comply with the material conditions of the probationary term. Now, with respect to the first, subsequent convictions, there's not a whole lot you can do in a case where the client has a subsequent conviction. In those cases, the judge's prerogative is to either modify the term of probation, add additional term or condition to probation, or resentence the client under the constraints of the original conviction. So if you've been convicted of a third-degree offense, the judge's prerogative can sentence you to jail term between 3 and 5 years. With respect to the second category of violations, subsequent arrest, in those cases, the judge can immediately remand you to jail, where you will wait until the violation of probation proceeding is started, or the judge can decide to try the case right then and there under the condition usually associated with probation is that you must lead a law-abiding life. Seems to be anomalous because in this country, the presumption is that an accused is innocent until proven guilty, but that's not the case with respect to violation of probation. And it's not the case because the Supreme Court has said a violation of probation proceeding is not so much part of the criminal justice process, but the correction process. And the third category is a violation of a material term. Here, the general events that precipitate a violation of probation is a failure to pay a fine, a failure to pay a restitution, dirty urine, or an ouster from a drug or alcohol rehabilitation center. Those cases are fraught with controversy. It is those cases where a client should immediately engage a lawyer to make sure the lawyer has analyzed every possible legal or factual principle to assist in a successful resolution of that case. I would close by telling you that there is a book posted on my website that is specifically conceived to educate potential clients and consumers, for that matter, about the nuances of the probation statute and the procedure associated with the probation statute. Get to my homepage, enter the appropriate information, you can download the book. If you can't find it, call my office, speak to Renee, and we will be more than happy to mail you a hard copy.